If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Myntri Rangbah ke jela Meghalaya Conrad kongkal Sangma hakar po trek unai luar hajar Plie ula Plie ke yo penina miki machine ke beletip kum ke North East Entrepreneurship Machinery and Innovation Exhibition Hamadan Polo Shillong. Hagini ke program le dan lang ke Executive Director ke Meghalaya Basin Management Agency Bat Prime Hub ikong Isawanda lalu Professor Devesh Wala Head ke Department of Geology Bat CEO ke Incubation Center Hanehu Badu Aditya Sen, Program Head ke Prime Hub Meghalaya, nalor kiwi-kiwi. Habakran nagan sengi Conrad kongkal Sangma ulong bagi reu syampang haki mesin nakal lengkari. Kilawan bani shim bentah haki negi exhibition ban peni hiki nong seng kam lajong hang ni ya gijat mesin beper bagi laban pendon kam. Kandon gejing trailang hap pedeng jengki banyo ekejing kersan hakal yang kejing tiet hiki mesin bagi laban kot bor bat bagi nangkiau haki kam bagi trei. Conrad kongkal Sangma ulong ru baga prime program kapenslur rik samla banseng yi kam lajong rik samla kisam jing kam tam hakal yang gi machine komta kene program kedai shibenta nakilat ban weng ya kene jing Myntri Rangbah ula let ru ban rung haki basa baper hakane ke exhibition ban kemi ikiru komponen kam ya ki machine.
Now, Meghalaya has roughly about 60 to 70,000 youths who enter the workforce every year. Every year. And that number will go up to about 90,000 to 1 lakh youths entering the workforce every year in the next 5 to 10 years' time. And hence there is a huge requirement for economic growth, especially from the private sector, to take place in order for us to be able to achieve or be able to provide the employment opportunities to our youth and be able to make them gainfully employable and positively employable. Entrepreneurship plays a very important role because it creates the ecosystem. I believe that entrepreneurship is a culture. It's a culture of a society, a state, its people, to be able to willing to take the risk. It's a culture of being able to identify an opportunity that exists and convert that opportunity into a business idea and make it profitable. It's a culture, as I said, of innovating. And hence, from the day one, we have been trying to create that ecosystem and create that culture of entrepreneurship in our state. And that's really been the prime focus of what we've been trying to do. And everything that we do only adds to that entire effort of being an entrepreneur or having that entrepreneurship spirit or having that entrepreneurship culture. And hence, this entire opportunity of linking the machines that are available in the market today to the needs of our farmers and the entrepreneurs is in itself a testimony of the entrepreneurship spirit that we all need to see and that all we are trying to bring out. When it comes to innovation and seeing the requirements of machines, I have a few suggestions. First suggestion that I would like to make, of course, is that while we're doing, I hope you know that we are doing Prime program and there's a Prime Rural program. Until unless we are actually able to see the need in the market, where is the gap, study that gap in the market, and then provide the technology to be able to then improve the overall productivity at the grassroots level.